My name is Veronica Martinez. Well, to be honest, I was doing my own research because I wasn't feeling odd. And after I turned 40, I start feel with different kind of stuff, and my normal doctor would not say anything. She'll just blood my normal blood and be like, everything is normal, you're good, you're not menopausal, you're not. I'm like, I feel different, So I started with my research and I found Dr. Tech online and Google, doing some hormonal, listening to podcasts and trying to find someone in my area that could help me. And that's why I found him. Well, to be honest, he was very good at telling me that, first of all, we needed to do some work as far as blood, see what was going on with me. But it was very normal what I was feeling, that those were symptoms, that I could be helped with. So I was happy about that. The next visit, I was excited because obviously he went through my whole history of numbers a lot. I never had done blood work like that. So he went through all my numbers. Obviously, I had close to 0 testosterone. And he was like, this is what you need. Your other hormones, even though they're low, they're not that low to start anything yet. But this is going to help you. So I said, okay. So I started that day, my TRT therapy, and I started working almost immediately. Before I started, I couldn't sleep. It was very hard for me to sleep. I feel like I didn't have any motivation for anything. I feel like, I don't know how to explain, but it's like you're always like, you don't want to do anything. You push yourself because you have a family and you have to go to work, to your kids, and all. But I didn't feel like doing anything. I didn't want to work out. Obviously, it was hard for me to even be with my husband, because I didn't have the desire to. I just was like, and that was causing some issues, And after that, I started feeling the difference right away. Like I had more energy. I was starting doing my things again. Everything, I feel great. The only surprise is that I feel very good. All the outcomes, because I've been doing my, I was working out before, but after starting doing that, even on that, I saw a bit of improvement on my muscle tone and stuff. Now I cannot stop telling everybody. Every time I get together with my friends and my cousins and they have symptoms, I'll be like, you have to go check your hormones. You have to go check your hormones. So challenges, no. Surprises, yeah. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? And to me, it is sad, especially in our community, like being Latinos, that they don't talk about it. Like when I started feeling all my issues, I talked to my mom, and she said, I never felt anything. Till today, she'll be like, I never felt anything. And they don't say anything, they don't talk about it. And it is sad because we'll go through a lot of stuff and we shouldn't have to be shameful. And they make us feel like that. Like, okay, you start feeling, oh, you're going to be in the menopause, so you're not worth it anymore. And it's so sad. So now that's what I do. I talk to my friends and my cousins and my sister and everybody is like, you need to get yourself checked, because you never know. And you feel great afterwards. Happy, surprising, and encouraging.